Today, we're going to be discussing flow theory and gamification. Understanding how to apply flow theory to your game design can help players have a more enjoyable and satisfying experience. This is Corey Code Channel. Let's jump right in. Flow theory is the idea that people enter a state of flow when they are fully engaged and challenged by an activity. The feeling of flow can be described as a sense of effortless concentration, where the player is completely absorbed in the game. One of the key components of flow theory is the balance between skill and challenge. If the challenge of the game is higher than the player's skill level, the player will experience feelings of worry and frustration. On the other hand, if the challenge is lower than the player's skill level, the player will experience feelings of apathy and boredom. To keep players in a state of flow, it's important to match the skill level of the player with the challenge level of the game. This means that the game should be challenging enough to keep the player engaged, but not so difficult that it causes feelings of frustration. When the balance of skill and challenge is matched, the player is more likely to enter a state of flow and fully engage with the game, which can help with onboarding new players, creating habits, and achieving mastery. Fully engaged players are more likely to pay attention to the game, learn and retain information, and practice the skills required to master the game. To keep players in a state of flow, game designers can use a variety of tools such as providing clear goals, giving immediate feedback, and use techniques like progressive difficulty, which means gradually increasing the difficulty level of the game as the player progresses. This can be done by introducing new challenges and obstacles at regular intervals, or by increasing the skill level required to complete a task. This technique keeps players engaged by providing a sense of progress and accomplishment as they conquer increasingly difficult challenges. Variable rewards provide random or unpredictable rewards to the player. This can be done by using random number generators or by using different reward systems in the game. This technique keeps players engaged by providing a sense of anticipation and excitement as they never know what rewards they will receive next. Unlockable content is a technique that allows players to unlock new items, levels, or characters as they progress through the game. This can be done by completing specific tasks or achieving certain milestones. This technique keeps players engaged by providing a sense of progress and accomplishment as they unlock new content. Badges and achievements allow players to earn rewards for completing specific tasks or achieving certain milestones. This technique keeps players engaged by providing a sense of progress and accomplishment as they unlock new badges or achievements. Leaderboards allow players to compare their performance to other players. This can be done by implementing a leaderboard system in the game. This technique keeps players engaged by providing a sense of competition and the desire to improve their ranking. In conclusion, understanding flow theory and how to apply it to your game design can help players have a more enjoyable and satisfying experience. By keeping the balance of skill and challenge in mind and using tools to keep players in a state of flow, designers can create a game that players will be fully immersed in. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.